Dad Node Online. Today's objective is to unscrew these screws so that we can get at the battery and remove it. We will use an iFixit kit to perform the surgery. Because I know you're all smart, I will be doing the removal of the back plate on time lapse. Just follow when you can, and always use a screw organizer, or else your equipment will say screw you. Okay, we have successfully removed the screws and kept them organized. Ta-da! Good Lord, this is dirty! She's a dirty, dirty girl. Oh my Lord, I'm gonna have to clean that up. But yeah, we're into the bits and pieces now. And what we want to try to do is basically perform surgery on the battery, or basically just disconnect it from the unit so that it doesn't explode on us. I will just try to identify which one is the battery cable. Also, take a look. Memory is upgradable. I wonder if I have a spare DIMM unit here, but like, yeah, that's an old school disk drive. What she got? How many? 64? Gotta clean this. Uh-oh. Oh, some loose stuff here. After that cleaning, you may get like mystery screws falling out, so it's always good to like keep them organized and handy. Okay, that is definitely a swollen battery. Okay, so that's definitely a danger. That has to be removed. Okay, we mostly got it out. We just gotta disconnect the battery from that port. We will most likely need a spudger to get that thing out. All right. There we are. Now we've disabled the battery from the MacBook Pro. It's just a matter of putting it back together. Okay, so now that we're done, we're gonna try to put it back together. Okay, now she's back together. Let's see if she'll turn on. Of course, she has no battery. And she has no battery because it is here. Okay, and it's like tips. Shout out. This is not what you want to see in a battery. That bulge is really the danger sign. So this is because my dad tried charging it before passing it to me. It's charged, so it's a bomb. I must set down the bomb in a safe place and dispose of it properly, because even a junk shop won't accept this. Now that I got her booted up, only thing left to do is install VLC player, and we're gonna give it a test. Ooh. Work. She doesn't want Blu-ray. I forgot. It's a DVD player. I'm such an idiot. On that note, video over, but at least the old shit works. Turn it to a music player instead.